did some work. So what I'm going to do is take these little heat sinks off that are holding these MOSFETs down. I probably should have done that earlier so you guys could get a look at what a MOSFET looks like. But I'm just going to remove these screws that are holding the MOSFETs down. Okay, and I'm going to take these off the way because these are MOSFETs that I removed. I'll explain that in a sec. Alright, so before I decided to make a video, I had already started working on the amp, and I saw that some of my MOSFETs were bad. But like I said, this is the power side of the amplifier where all of the where the transformers are, and the MOSFETs up there. This is the output side of the amp, and here are the transistors for the output side. These little guys right here with the 3 legs, those are transistors. Those are what actually amplify the power. So what we want to do is check the resistance of the outer legs on this side too, and make sure they're still in the meg ohms. Okay, so you're expecting to see a tremendous resistance on all of these, and I do, but there used to be transistors in these spots as well, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. There were 5 transistors there, and all of them had resistance levels of like 9 ohms. Like here's one of them that I've already removed, and I'm going to check the resistance on the outer legs of it. Is 0, absolutely 0 resistance between those. So you know that this transistor right here is shorted out, which means any current that comes through the amp is just going to run through this, because current takes the path of least resistance. So that is definitely a shorted output transistor. And if you have one of these, your amp is going to go into protect, and it's going to stay in protect and not come out of protect, because all of the current is it's just going to draw current. So if you've got an amplifier that when you cut it on and it stays in protect and will not come out of protect, you may have a shorted output transistor. But if you've got an amplifier and as soon as you turn the car on, it blows all its fuses, you almost definitely have a shorted output transistor or a shorted power transistor, and it's just drawing every bit of current from that car. That's why it's so important to have fusing on your amplifier, because that'll set your car on fire in a hurry when it draws all that current. But most of the time it's just going to blow all of its internal fuses. Okay, so I've removed all of the bad transistors. The 5 transistors that were bad, here they are. Taken them out and put them to the side. So now what we can do is test the amplifier at this point to see if it's still in protect. So let's do that. So I haven't done anything else. I've just removed those transistors. That's it. That's all I've done. So let me test it. I hope it comes on, or I'm gonna look kind of bad, because I'm almost certain that's what the problem is. But if that's not what it is, we'll just dig a little bit deeper.